Tapos da kang banabo nga jet ay. Pabar lang dadayon na. Oh, wow. Kabang green na green yan. Halaman ka te. Way to Lagoon. Pero mahal ko na isa yan. Hindi ko na sila kilala. Hindi ko nila kilala. So pwede lang pang-video. Kung motivation for today's run is mag-milk tea sa Chokchak. Chokchak. Where I'm walking through papunta sa Lagoon, and dito yung tinahak ko. So yes, I'm so excited to run again. Oh, may foreigner. Hi foreigner. If you're wondering how Bacolod City looks like, this is Bacolod City. Kita nyo yan? Ang bobo naman naglagay dyan. This is where I jog. This is called the Capital Lagoon. So this is across Capital Lagoon, the Negros Forest, and yes, and the Lacson Street over there. Ta-da! So I'm gonna run here. There's a lot of joggers already. Here, ay, charet. Chika lang. Wait lang kada mo tao. Ay, nag-meet up sila sana all may jowa. Ako di maka-organic encounter. Sa gustong mag-organic encounter sa akon nga scripted. So, hello. Na lang ako ko to te, mapalayo ako to danay te. Nag-warm up na me. So, before that, mag-quick outfit check muna tayo. Mapulit ako, joke lang. Tarantado ka. So, I found a spot where I can do my outfit check. Dira ka. Tara, dagdag ka daan. Okay, found a spot. Para bang may standee ka. Wala ka pong standee po. Ayan na lang po ang outfit check natin po. Up, wearing a white top and a short shorts. And A6 school shoes. Charot. A6 running shoes. Decided to walk lang muna because hindi na ako nakapag-run for a long time, and I think mapupulikat ako kapag mag-run ako agad-agad. So for now, I'm just walking like round 2 of walking, and after this I'll run, but I cannot video since I'm gonna use my phone to listen to music kasi wala akong earphones. Where I'm running, this is the the Negros capital. Yeah. Okay. Pacing slowly but surely na hindi sasakit yung kilid. Okay, kahit papano, meron naman pong pawis na lumalabas, parang hindi na tayo nagpapaduding dito. It's almost sunset. So nice. So this is Service First, and this is at the hotel. Okay, I know this is unhealthy, pero gusto ko talagang mag-milk tea. And since malapit na tayo sa Ayala, bumili tayo ng milk tea. Bukas na lang ulit ako mag-jogging. Show you my favorite milk tea store as of the moment here in Bacolod City. So it's located in Ayala, and let's go there. See, Bacolod City is so peaceful. So if you want to live here, you can live here. Fair lang. So it's simple life with a mix of urban and rural life. So may mall if you want to make lago-lagaw, but then again, if you don't want, you can stay at home. It's peaceful, just like that. Sa masunuring citizen, titingnan po natin yung stop button. Hello, manang driver. Here na sa Ayala. This is Ayala. Ano ni sa location vlog? Location! So this is the entrance. Someone treat me on my birthday here. Hindi ko nila kilala. Okay, rin ako sa Chok Chak Chok. Ay, ang bota. Chatok Chak Atok. Chak. This is the place, Chatok Chak. Hello, sir. Isa ganito, sir, ka-premium cheesecake milk tea. Ha? Aha. Charat, ano na available?
Pwede kayo ma'am ma'am, other items or mag-add-ons ng other items. I see first.
Ano ang ano?
We have small first.
Small pearls. Ate, sige, small pearls na lang. Small pearls.
Small pearls.
Add-ons na lang siya gano'n. Add-ons na lang na sa'yo, sir, mo?
Yes ma'am. Ano na naman ma'am?
Ah.
Mix sense mo.
Ay, ano na, sa fix?
Sa steak na at saka yung sa tiyak.
Ay, okay. Sige, sige. May card ba ka mo, sir?
Ma'am,
Ha?
QR at saka cash pa lang tayo ma'am.
Ay.
Waiting pa kami sa device po.
Pila gano'n, sir?
140 pesos po. 10 minutes is 8 0. RC 500 Binger ma'am.
Ella, sir.
Miss Lala.
So much. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, sir. Chok. Chatok. Chatok. May naalala ka ba? Ang view, top view. One, two, three. The best part. Ay, wala siya na shit. Ikaw na ba si Mr.? Ikaw na ba level? Yes. It really reminds me of Gongcha. Gongcha or Macau Imperial Milk Tea. Hello. Really tastes like Macau Imperial Milk Tea. The cheesecake, the tea, and all. Sobrang sarap. Alam. Next time, I'll order all the flavors there, one by one. It's my second time trying premium cheesecake milk tea. Next time, it's really so good. Nagibig. So I am done. Craving satisfied for the whole month. So ayun. Treat me here on my birthday sa August 9. Because I will not celebrate my birthday on the day of my birthday. It's because my father passed away the day before. Ano? My father passed away before the day of my birthday. So my father passed away August 8 and my birthday is on August 9. So I will not celebrate it. So if you want to date me on August 9, I'll be available with some gypsal and coffee. I think I'm done with my agenda. Nag-buy ko medicine cotton para kay tita. Gabi na. Wow, may LED na din pala dito. Grabe ka na talaga, Bacolod. Okay, so a moment of realization as I will turn 27 on Sunday. Well, I'm getting older. I think I really need to stop my dating era and really focus to the people who really care for me and is always there for me. All in all, I have dated a lot after my breakup. So it was 2 years ago that I have separated with my last relationship. And by that, I didn't have a serious relationship. I was dating a lot, like a lot of talking stages, situationships, and the like. So now that I will be turning 27, I will stop that. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to focus to the people who are with me from the very start up to this present moment, and I will not cater any man.